everyone, my name is Hannah Jane Alaba. And today we'll be talking about models for problem solving and creativity. France's Creativity Framework. The father of creativity, Edward Paul Torrance, suggested the following 4 requirements for creativity.
What is fluency? It refers to the production of a great number of ideas or an alternate solution to a problem. Fluency implies understanding, not just remembering the information from what is learned. Application activities that involves the aspect of fluency are trace a picture and label the parts, and outline an article defined on your topic. Next is flexibility. It refers to the production of ideas that show a variety of possibilities or results. It also involves the ability to see things in a different point of view, to use many different approaches or strategies. Application ideas, for instance, in these aspects are: how would you feel if you were invisible for a day? And what would happen if there were no automobiles? Next is elaboration. It refers to the process of enhancing an idea by providing more detail. Additional detail and clarity improves the interest in and understanding of the topic. The application ideas that we can relate to this aspect are: what can you add to your performance to improve its quality? And describe all the possible characteristics of the red quality in a way good. Last but not the least is originality. It involves the production of ideas that are unique or unusual. It involves synthesis or putting information about the topic back together in a new way. From the word originality, the application ideas for this aspect suggest you to originate your own answers. The first example is find original use for mobile devices. Second, what would be the strongest way to get out of bed?
Creativity problem solving. The creative problem solving process was originally developed by Alex Osborne and Sid Barnes. Creativity problem solving is a simple process that involves breaking down a problem to understand it, generating ideas to solve the problem, and evaluating those ideas to find the most effective solutions. Highly creative people tend to follow this process in their heads without thinking about it. Less naturally creative people simply have to learn to use this very simple process. Stage 1. Mess finding. Sensitize yourself, scan, search for issues, concerns, challenges, opportunities, etc. that needs to be tackled. Stage 2. Data finding. Gather information about the problem. Stage 3. Problem finding. Convert a fuzzy statement of the problem into a broad statement more suitable for idea finding. Stage 4. Idea finding. Generate as many ideas as possible. Stage 5. Solution finding. Create and choose distinct evaluation criteria, then create the shortlisted ideas and choose the best of them. Stage 6. Accepting finding. Make sure the suggestion you just made is up to par and put into action. Bransford and Stein, 1984, identified the ideal model of problem solving which can be used within a range of contexts. The first aspect of Bransford's ideal model is identify. Assuming that our situation is the ongoing online classes, we're going to identify the problems, and these are slow internet connection, poor reception for cellular data, consecutive synchronous meetings, and online quizzes that gets interrupted by poor connection. The second aspect is define. It is when we define the problem by thinking about it and sorting out the relevant information. In line with our previous situation, after identifying the problems, this is how we define it. Due to the pandemic, we have to conduct and attend classes through online meetings. But since some of the students went home to their provinces, they have to endure poor receptions and unstable internet connection while on consecutive meetings. This is the main problem that students face since online classes began last 2020. We ended up not learning anything from synchronous sessions or get interrupted while taking an online quiz. The third aspect is explore. It is when we explore solutions by looking at alternatives, brainstorming, and checking out different points of view. For instance, suggest to reduce the synchronous meetings to be conducted, alternative online activities, or tests instead of online quizzes. The next one is act. You act on the strategies or apply solutions. For examples, ask for help from those who were able to attend a synchronous meeting with stable connection to understand what was taught in class. Ask the teacher for a special quiz to make it up. Look for a comfortable place where you can have stable reception or internet connection when there is a scheduled online meeting. And lastly, look. This is when you look back and evaluate the effects of your activity or look at the results. Let us say that we successfully applied the solutions to our problems. This could be the effects of our activity. You can catch up with what you missed during the synchronous class. You can have complete activities passed. You will be able to join the class without getting interrupted. Thank you so much for listening and watching. I hope you learned something about this topic and stay safe.